All right, today we're doing a demonstration for my team behind me here on how to use the Mac test set. And we've already made our connections. We've got our rigid coil around the phase here, high voltage lead on the top of the pole, a return lead on the bottom. Because we're using the rigid coil, we've got to use the capacitor, so we've already got that connected. Everything's ready to go, and we're just going to walk through the setup here. We got the VI test. We're going to select the rigid coil. We're going to select 25 kV for this particular test and a curve of 8. If you're ever not sure which curve to use, give us a call and we can help coach you through that. Then we just select run, we select OK, and now we can begin to run the test. And you'll hear the test set beginning to do its thing. At first it does is it applies the 25 kV across the open pole, measures the leakage current to just tell us we got a good bottle, which we already know because we did an insulation resistance test on it prior to this test. Now it's charging the capacitor, and unfortunately you can't really see the light here, but the light is on telling us the capacitor is going to charge. It's going to charge up to about 700 volts. When it gets to 700 volts, we're going to reapply the 25 kV DC across the pole. We're going to discharge that magnetic field from the capacitor's charge, and we're going to get a pressure reading. So stand by for that as we're at 350 volts. All right, we're still charging. We're at about 600 volts right now, and like I say, I'll just show you over here. We got the red light on the capacitor, so we're about 670 there, coming on up. I'm just going to take it up here, get a little bit of close up, and you'll be able to hear the discharge. So you've heard the discharge, and you actually saw the coil move upon that magnetic field. So now let's take a look at our results. All right, let's just take a look at what we got. So we can see that we got the ion current right here, 10 to the minus 3 value, and that calculates out to a pressure of 9.7, 10 to the minus 3, making this a passed vacuum bottle.